I changed my mind. Instead of going downtown, I'm coming over here to hang out with my duck. No, actually, it's not a duck. Hey, buddy. Hanging out with my friend. Look at that. So I come to an impasse. I was hoping that the water level would be a little bit low enough for me to run by, but it is not. And I really don't want to get my feet wet, you know, when it's so cold. So I'm going to turn around and get back home. Got 8 miles in. It was cold, but I did it. I'm gonna go home, eat lunch, get ready to go to work. It's gonna be an amazing shift. Not gonna see long. Man. Still trying to work on my nutrition. I think that's the key to longevity, is getting the nutrition in, build the mileage, grow the mitochondria. Oh, you can still see some ice on the water. It was frozen earlier, but it's thawed out a little bit. But yeah, got a whole winter to build my base. So this is good. What should I do tomorrow? This fog is unreal.
That game versus the LA Rams, like if you actually watch the game, it was fun. Like
It is snowing outside. I've caught me a cold, but gotta get my exercise in. So let's go. First riding with the new watch. Look at that. Thing is massive. Pretty cool though. And it is snowing outside. First snow. I guess I wouldn't say first snow, but snow. The sky is unreal. Time to say goodbye to my watch. And say hello to my new watch.